floor cam for those rare times when you want to shoot something with the camera very close to the floor. Used often for dramatic effect in Hollywood, but with us, what we're after is something that we can shoot some floor mounted crystals. So we'll put that in there, and we're going to use a right angle bend on the bottom. That serves two purposes. It lets us have the weight low, that's the cat, the weight down low, and lets us also bring the camera out to the side. Now the advantage here, so we're going to mount the camera on there. Up here we're going to have another connector so we don't have to bend over. We can extend the handle to the height we want. Another one in there. And we'll just use a T-junction here. We probably have used another right angle bend. Put a T-junction in there. To make this, we're going to put a male to female right angle bend in there. Then we can screw another thread in there. Screw another little arm in there. A couple of end caps. Neat. Then down here, what we're going to do with this is we'll just lay that down like that. Put the camera on here. And what we want now is to turn that back, and so that what we've got now is a easy to move floor mounted system. You can easily move it around this way if you want to come sideways like that, and it lets you get quite a steady close to the floor shot. In fact, what we'll do is we'll switch this little bugger on, and I'll just to show you, this will show you what it's the floor cam.